Squishy challenge! What's yours feel like?
A banana? Yes.
What? You already guessed it?
Yay, a banana.
I'm still trying to feel mine. I haven't even guessed yet. Is it a hand? Is it a...
It's a foot.
I think mine's a hand. Oh, you got it right. Did I get it right? It looks like a hand.
Yes, it is.
Oh, we both got a point. Let's put it here.
You both got two.
Okay, next squishy.
I'm gonna eat this.
Okay. Put your blindfold back on.
It's like a panda.
What does it feel like? Does it have ears?
Panda! Yes!
Mine feels like a, don't tell me, like a tooth? I think mine's a tooth. Let's see. Oh, it's a popsicle. What's your
Mommy, you won.
I'm lost. Next one. Okay. What's it feel like?
I don't know.
You like that?
Cat floaty.
A floaty?
A cat floaty.
A cat floaty is what it feels like?
Yes. Can I take mine?
Does it have ears on it?
No. Can I take it off?
Sure. I don't know what mine feels like.
Donut.
Oh, you were close. Hold on, let me guess.
Take yours off and see.
I have no idea what mine is. I think it's
Is it the heart?
like a food? Maybe it's a biscuit. Let me see. Oh, mine's a heart.
You lost. You
Oh, look.
lost.
She got the donut.
It's just like Hello Kitty's face because I have to.
Yeah, it is. You can put your finger in it. Well, I lost.
Yeah, that's.
I think mine has ears. What does yours feel
I
like?
feel like maybe a marshmallow turtle.
Oh, maybe. Does it feel like it has a shell?
Yes.
I think mine's a bear. Let's look. Is that a bear?
Yes.
A yellow bear?
Yes.
Yay!
Can I get one?
Yep, it's a turtle. How many points do you have over there? I have 2, so you won. Yay!
Here's your one.
Whoa! Look at all these squishies you won. So cool.
A diamond. Oh, you
Piece
made
of
a
bread.
that's a bread. Mommy, those are donuts.
What else did you get?
Someone ate this.
Oh, a sushi.
Look at two. What is this? This is a tooth.
A roll?
Is this a tooth?
It's a cat squishy.
Who can I?
Squishy challenge.
What is mine?
I think mine has ears. Does yours feel like ears? a bear.
What is mine?
What does yours feel like?
It's squishy and I think it's a bit, a potty.
Potty? Okay, let's see. What is it? A panda. It's okay. It's okay.
It's a bear.
I think mine's a bear too. Okay, let's see. Ready?
Yes, I got it right.
They're like twins. Yours is a baby.
We both got it right.
Woo!
Yay.
Okay, let's keep that one. We each get a point. Okay. All right, let's feel it.
Is mine a donut?
I don't know. We just gotta feel it.
I think it's a face.
Mine feels like a half ball. I don't know. It
Mine
feels like
feels like a face.
mine's a ball cut in half.
Now
Let's
let's see.
see. Oh, yours does have a face. Oh, mine has too.
Because it has an eye.
Yep. You got yours right. I did it. Okay, next squishy.
I got 2 points in the
You got one. Yep. I don't have one.
It's a popsicle.
Okay, let's feel it. Pick it up.
Mine's a popsicle.
Does it feel like a popsicle?
It does.
Mine feels like a piece of paper
Now let's.
or a square.
It's.
Did you already guess yours?
Yes.
Like a square.
What is this, Daddy?
Let me see. What did you guess? I think it's a popsicle.
Yes.
Oh, look, mine's a piece of bread.
Yep.
Oh, I got it wrong. How many do you have?
1, 2, 3.
I have one.
You
You
lost.
win.
You
Aww.
lost. Wait, no.
Mine feels long,
Ah.
like a stick.
Mine is like a cloud. What?
I think mine's a carrot.
Okay, let's start. Mine's a cloud.
Oh, yours is a cloud. Oh, mine's a banana.
I
You want some?
No, you lost.
Mine feels like a cloud.
Mine feels like a turtle.
Mine's a cloud, I think.
I think mine is a turtle.
Okay, let's see.
I got it wrong.
What is that?
It's a cloud.
Oh. Well, I don't know what mine is. I lost.
We both lost.
We both lost.
I'm putting them on mommy. Let's put them on mommy area. I'm gonna put them on mommy with me. Let's go. Put these on her. I can't help you. It on your butt. Well, maybe one can only go there, and one can go here. I'm gonna put this there. And it's coming out.
What is on me?
It's Mommy.